Oh, hello. Meet my friend, the Fairbuds XL. They're headphones, but like nothing you've ever seen before. They're special and just right for all kinds of things. Like this, or that. Keep the music playing and be present in the moment with ambient mode. And if things get a little noisy, drown out the distractions with state-of-the-art noise cancelling. Ah, lovely. Hey, how about that modular design?
What?
Modular, meaning you can easily replace a part if you ever need to, so you can really make them last a long time. The Fairbuds XL are made with fair and recycled materials, built by people who receive a living wage bonus and designed to minimize the impact on the climate. That's climate conscious. And now, let's take a second to enjoy that superior sound. Those highs, so clear. Those mids, so warm. That bass, so deep. Brought to you by the Fairbuds XL's 40mm dynamic drivers. And with a battery life of up to 30 hours, you have plenty of time to get lost in your favorite soundscapes. That's it. Just you and your music. The Fairbuds XL. Superior sound, sustainably designed.